Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today I'll be learning how to make a folder in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to make a folder in Terabox app, guys, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, and after opening a Terabox app you land over here, which is the home interface of Terabox. And after landing over here, at the bottom of the screen, guys, you can see a bunch of icons available for us where it says the home and the files and the share. Tap on the files button at the bottom of the screen and you land over here, and you can find the plus button in a dark circle at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the new folder option available for us at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on the new folder at the bottom left corner, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see it says the new folder. Enter the folder name or the name of the folder which you want to use to name that folder. So for example, I'll just typing in the music folder. So after typing the music, let's tap on the create button over here. That's being done, guys, you can see the folder option available for us which we have just created, and this is how you'll be able to make a folder on Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.